Hi, boys and girls. Today you are going to learn how to play Roll the Word. This is a great way to practice your power words or your spelling words. Here we go. You need some materials. You need your Roll the Word paper. It might be yellow, it might be green, and you need a dice. Pause the video and get your materials. Okay, let's get started. Now, you see some words on the bottom here. Those words come from your activity list. If you look on your activity list on the side, you can pick 6 words to learn. And I picked my 6 words to learn. Now I'm going to get started. I need to roll my dice. I got a 6. I need to look at which word is next to the 6. It's the word what. I'm working on the word what, so I'm going to write what right here. There I go. Now I need to clear the board and roll my dice again. I got another 6. I can't believe it. I gotta write the word what again. There we go. The point of the game is to practice your words. Whichever word gets to the very top first is the winning word. I want you to set your timer for 10 minutes and play this game to practice your words. Have fun!